When we step on an anthill, a series of complex, organized, and often frantic responses are triggered within the ant colony. This disruption affects the ants on multiple levels, from individual behaviors to the colony's social structure and defensive mechanisms. To understand what happens when we step on an anthill, it's essential to delve into the intricacies of ant society, their communication methods, and their emergency responses. An anthill is much more than a simple mound of dirt. It represents the visible part of an extensive, subterranean network of tunnels and chambers that make up the colony's home. These structures are meticulously constructed to house various functions necessary for the colony's survival. The tunnels allow for ventilation, temperature control, and movement, while the chambers are designated for specific activities such as nurseries for larvae, storage for food, and quarters for the queen and workers. When a foot steps on an anthill, the immediate physical damage is significant. The weight crushes tunnels and chambers, collapsing parts of the intricate structure. This destruction can trap or kill ants, destroy stored food, and disrupt the carefully maintained environment critical for the colony's young. The collapse can also sever pheromone trails, which are essential for communication and navigation within the colony. Ants primarily rely on pheromones for communication. When an anthill is disturbed, the first response is the release of alarm pheromones by the affected ants. These chemical signals spread quickly through the air and soil, alerting other members of the colony to the danger. The reaction to these alarm pheromones is immediate and coordinated, demonstrating the high level of social organization within the colony. The alarm pheromones trigger a series of behavioral responses in nearby ants. Different species of ants have various defensive strategies, but common responses include aggressive attacks and biting or stinging the intruder. Soldier ants, if present, will typically lead these defensive actions. These ants are usually larger and equipped with powerful mandibles or stingers, designed to deter or injure predators. Even species without specialized soldier castes will exhibit aggressive behavior when their nest is threatened. The coordinated attack serves to defend the colony by driving away the threat. Some species, such as fire ants, are particularly notorious for their painful stings and aggressive swarming behavior. Protecting the queen and the brood is a top priority for the colony. The queen is the reproductive center of the colony, and her survival is crucial for the colony's continuity. Workers will quickly transport the queen and the brood to deeper, safer parts of the nest or, if necessary, to a temporary location until the nest is secure again. This evacuation process is highly organized. Workers use their antennae to detect and follow pheromone signals, ensuring that the queen and the brood are moved efficiently and safely. Once the immediate threat is neutralized and the nest is repaired, the queen and brood can be returned to their original chambers. The immediate chaos following the destruction of an anthill eventually gives way to long-term consequences for the colony. The colony's energy and resources are redirected towards recovery, which can impact other activities such as foraging and expansion. The time and effort required to rebuild can set back the colony's growth and development. Additionally, if the disturbance is severe or repeated, it can weaken the colony significantly. Continuous stress and damage can make the colony more vulnerable to predators, diseases, and environmental changes. In extreme cases, if the queen is killed or if the damage is too extensive to repair, the colony may collapse entirely. The disturbance of an anthill also has broader ecological implications. Ants play crucial roles in their ecosystems as decomposers, soil aerators, and prey for other animals. By disrupting an anthill, we inadvertently affect these ecological functions. For instance, the collapse of tunnels can alter soil structure, affecting plant growth and soil health. Additionally, the reduction in ant activity can impact the food chain, affecting species that rely on ants as a food source. Stepping on an anthill triggers a complex series of responses that highlight the remarkable organization and resilience of ant colonies. The immediate physical damage is met with swift defensive and repair efforts, orchestrated through sophisticated communication systems. The colony's ability to protect its queen and brood, coupled with its capacity for rapid reconstruction, ensures its survival in the face of adversity. However, repeated disturbances can weaken a colony, highlighting the delicate balance ants maintain within their ecosystems. Understanding these dynamics not only provides insight into the fascinating world of ants but also underscores the broader ecological impacts of our actions, reminding us of the intricate connections within the natural world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.